For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a wrecker business, also known as a tow truck or recovery service, can be a highly profitable venture with consistent demand from stranded drivers, insurance companies, and local authorities. With the integration of free AI tools, the startup process can be accelerated, streamlined, and less expensive. This guide walks you step by step through launching your wrecker business using the power of artificial intelligence. Step 1. Define your business model and niche. Before you begin operations, you must decide what segment of the towing market you want to serve. Will you focus on emergency towing, accident recovery, roadside assistance, vehicle repossession, or long-distance hauling? Use ChatGPT, free version, to brainstorm niches and refine your model. The tool functions as an idea generator and decision-making assistant. You can use this prompt, ChatGPT, give me a list of profitable niches within the wrecker/towing business, and help me evaluate which one fits best with low startup capital and high demand in urban areas. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. Your business plan will serve as the blueprint for your operations and is essential if you seek funding or permits. Use ChatGPT to generate a detailed plan including executive summary, company overview, market analysis, operations, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Prompt example: ChatGPT, create a detailed business plan for a towing/wrecker service that operates in your city, focusing on emergency roadside assistance and accident recovery. You can also use Notion AI, free with Notion's basic plan, to organize your business plan visually with to-do lists, timelines, and document storage. Step 3. Name and register your business. Choosing a compelling name is important for branding. Use Namelix, a free AI-powered business name generator, to come up with catchy and brandable names. Enter a prompt like tow truck business, professional and strong-sounding, easy to remember. After selecting a name, use ChatGPT to guide you through the registration process. ChatGPT, what are the steps to register a towing business in your state and apply for the necessary licenses? Step 4. Analyze your market and competitors. Understanding your competitors will help you identify gaps in the local towing market. Use Google Bard or ChatGPT to run simple market research. Prompt example: ChatGPT, research and summarize the top 5 towing services operating in your city, including their services, pricing, and online reviews. Suggest how I can differentiate my wrecker business from them. Pair this with Perplexity.ai to gather current insights and trends in the towing and vehicle recovery industry. Just type in trends in the towing and roadside assistance industry in 2025. Step 5. Choose your equipment wisely. Your biggest investment will be your tow truck. AI can help you estimate costs and compare vehicle types. Use ChatGPT with a prompt like, ChatGPT, list the pros and cons of flatbed tow trucks versus wheel-lift tow trucks for a new towing company. Estimate the average used truck cost in the U.S. You can use Google Sheets combined with ChatGPT to create a budget and vehicle comparison table. Prompt: ChatGPT, help me build a spreadsheet to compare purchase and maintenance costs of used tow trucks under $40,000. Step 6. Build a marketing plan using free AI tools. Marketing is critical to getting customers. Use ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive marketing strategy, including digital presence, local partnerships, and SEO tactics. Prompt example: ChatGPT, create a 3-month marketing plan for a local towing company targeting drivers, insurance companies, and apartment complexes. Use Canva's free AI-powered design tools to create flyers, social media banners, and truck decals. Prompt Canva Magic Design with design a bold, professional flyer for a 24/7 towing service in your city. Include phone number and emergency call-out info. Leverage MailChimp's free tier to set up email campaigns for local auto shops or insurance offices. Use ChatGPT to write the emails, Write an email introducing my new wrecker service to local auto repair shops, highlighting 24/7 service and reliability. Step 7. Set up your website and online listings. A web presence is non-negotiable. Use Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, a free website builder, to create a professional website in minutes. Answer a few questions, and the AI will auto-generate a site based on your services and location. You can ask ChatGPT to help you write your website copy. ChatGPT, write the homepage and services page content for a towing company in your area, offering emergency roadside assistance, jump starts, and accident towing. Don't forget to create a Google business profile and get listed in online directories. Use this prompt. ChatGPT, give me a checklist of online business directories and maps I should register my wrecker business with to improve local visibility. Step 8. Automate customer service and scheduling. Once your business is active, use free tools like Tidio, AI chatbot with free plan, to handle common customer inquiries on your website. ChatGPT can help you write the chatbot script. Prompt. ChatGPT, write a chatbot script for a towing business that answers questions about pricing, availability, ETA, and emergency services. For appointment scheduling, consider using Calendly, free version, and link it to your website. You can also integrate Google Calendar to manage dispatches and appointments. Step 9. Prepare legal documents and safety policies. Tow truck operations involve liability, so use AI to generate policy templates. Ask ChatGPT. Generate a basic service agreement template for a towing company, including liability disclaimers, payment terms, and consent to tow vehicles. For employee onboarding, if hiring, request, ChatGPT, write a safety training guide for tow truck operators covering driving, accident site protocol, and emergency procedures. Step 10. Launch and monitor your business performance. Track your performance using free tools like Google Analytics for website and Google My Business Insights. For general business analysis, ChatGPT can help you interpret metrics. Prompt. ChatGPT, help me analyze my first 3 months of operations. I had 130 service calls, average revenue of $120 per call, and monthly expenses of $5,000. What insights or suggestions can you offer? You can also use ChatGPT to simulate business growth scenarios. If I add one more tow truck by month 6, how might that affect my monthly capacity, revenue, and costs? Conclusion. Launching a wrecker business used to require heavy capital and professional consulting. But with the right free AI tools, you can plan, launch, and grow your towing service more efficiently and affordably than ever. From creating your business plan and marketing materials to automating customer support and analyzing operations, free AI platforms like ChatGPT, Canva, Wix, and Notion AI offer all the functionality you need to hit the road. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.